What's up everybody, my name is Phil. Welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. In today's video, we're going to be talking about P&S Carpet Bomber. Guys, if you're interested in videos like this, subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. And check out the links below or the card above that will bring you to a huge playlist full of videos of interior and exterior details, as well as how-tos, reviews, and much more. All right, guys, so this is a heavy-duty carpet and upholstery cleaner. Now, I have a 16-ounce bottle here. I really like the labeling on this as well. And I actually like these smaller 16-ounce bottles when I'm working on full interior details. I just think that they're easier to handle and they fit in my little detailer's helper belt really well. But let's talk about the product itself. Now, you can purchase this at carguysupplies.com, so go check them out right now. They are also doing a huge giveaway right now, so check out all the details down below. Click on that link. You can enter to win up to $1,000 in Car Guy Supplies credit that you can use right online. So go check that out, enter to win. So the P&S Carpet Bomber, this stuff is incredible. I got to use it on this pretty grungy car with light carpet, and I was really impressed with how it cleaned up. However, this can be used independently as a heavy-duty carpet and upholstery cleaner. So I used it on the carpets, and we're gonna show you how well it actually works. So guys, if we look on the back of the bottle here, it says that it is a citrus-based cleaner. It's biodegradable, which is great. And it says that it is part of the double black interior cleaning system. So Carpet Bomber is used as the second step treatment, but can also be used independently. So the directions say that if you are using Carpet Bomber as a part of the interior system, then Carpet Bomber is the second step, applied after step 1, which is the terminator. So then it says to apply a light mist of the Carpet Bomber to the area, allow product to work for a minimum of 3 minutes, use a steamer or a carpet brush to scrub. Using both is ideal to achieve optimum results. And then once completed, vacuum or extract the carpet and upholstery. Again, this stuff can just be used independently. That's how I used it, and I got amazing results. Let's check out the footage. So the carpets have been thoroughly vacuumed. Now we're going to use the Carpet Bomber to remove those stains. Now you may notice that the carpets look a little discolored where the mats used to be, and that's going to happen. If you have carpet mats or rubber mats, they're going to cover that area and protect it. The rest of the surrounding area really got the brunt of the dirt, grime, and grunge over the years. But despite that, we're going to remove those stains with the Carpet Bomber. So we spray the entire area, concentrating on those nastier stains. We agitate everything, and you notice that we used our hand brush, but then we switched over to the drill brush because you do get better results much quicker and more efficiently. So after all the agitating, we pull out our hot water carpet extractor and we extracted that entire area. And we use a dry microfiber towel to mop up any areas that the extractor really couldn't reach or get to, and you notice that it really left the carpets looking beautiful. Now we moved over to the passenger side, and same process. We made sure to spray that entire area, and then we used the VX5000 steamer, and you can use any steamer with this, but we used our steamer in conjunction with the drill brush to get a little bit more extra cleaning power. Some areas needed a little bit of extra chemical and a little bit of extra steam and agitation, and that's really key. Those three things combined will really clean carpets and upholstery effectively. Then we moved to the back area. Same process behind the seats there on the carpet. We used the cleaner, we used some steam, and we also agitated everything effectively, and then used our extractor to pull all that grime out of the carpets. Now, despite the discoloring on the carpets, the stains and all the nasty grunge really pulled out of the carpets and brightened them up, making them look amazing. Now, the Carpet Bomber also has a nice fresh scent to it, so it also made the vehicle smell better. So guys, as you can see, the results were amazing with this carpet cleaner. So if you are interested in picking up a bottle of this, again, go to carguysupplies.com. Pick up a bottle of the Rennie Doyle Carpet Bomber. If you're a mobile detailer and you need products that just work quickly, then this is a great product to use for cleaning up nasty carpet and upholstery. Now, I did notice that using the steamer with this seemed to, I don't know, activate it more, and it really helped with the cleaning action. So if you do have a steamer, then use it in conjunction with this. If you don't, then just use your brushes and your microfiber towels. If you do have an extractor, you can use that as well. If you don't have any of that stuff, you can make it simple, spray, agitate, and wipe up with microfiber towels, and that should get you great results. But if you want to step it up, then you can get a steamer or you can get a carpet extractor. I'll have links to some options down below. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful for you as well. And if you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with others who may enjoy it or benefit from it. And again, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.